Tangshan Baoding Building Materials Co., Ltd. has been deeply engaged in the engineering and construction sector for more than 16 years. Through industry accumulation and steady development, it has evolved from a specialized enterprise into a large-scale, diversified modern enterprise group with strong strength. The group owns 9 subsidiaries including Tangshan Weiyang Supply Chain Management Co., Ltd., establishing a full industrial chain ecosystem covering high-quality building materials supply, housing construction, equipment manufacturing, international trade, as well as municipal, road and power engineering, with complementary advantages and collaborative empowerment across all business segments. The group has achieved clustered high-quality development. The group has invested heavily in building a modern building materials industrial park covering 808 square meters, with over 1,000 core professional talents. It has delivered more than 3,000 benchmark projects to date, and its cooperative network spans more than 80 countries and regions worldwide. As Tangshan Baoding, the company has built a strong industry reputation with solid strength and empowered global construction undertakings through profound experience. As a construction manufacturer with full process production capabilities, we address pain points of global customers with cost-effective solutions and precise customization, backed by advanced equipment and an experienced technical team. We provide comprehensive OEM services. Our flagship product, Container Houses, supports multi-dimensional customization in dimensions, materials, colors, packaging, and labeling, seamlessly adapting to various national scenarios and regulatory standards. With a monthly production capacity of over 200 units, we efficiently undertake bulk orders, standardized full-process quality control, coupled with international certifications including CE, RoHS, and CPR, firmly underpins product quality and oversees compliance. Meanwhile, we optimize the entire chain of procurement, production, transportation, and installation to avoid construction delays and reduce overall costs, delivering word-free, time savings, and cost-effective construction solutions for global partners. Standing at a new starting point for development, Tangshan Baoding will remain committed to quality, uphold the spirit of innovation, and adhere to a customer-first philosophy. We will join hands with global partners to create a better future together.